In solid states, particles are tightly packed, they are unable to move, but this particle can vibrate only, and this particle have least amount of kinetic energy. So, these are the characteristics of solid states. Particles are regularly arranged, tightly packed, they are unable to move, but they have the least amount of kinetic energy. But what about the liquid states? Liquid particles are not arranged regularly, they are arranged irregularly, and this particle can slide over each other. Even they can take the shapes of the container, and kinetic energy of the liquid particle is more than solid. So again, the shape of the liquid particles, this one is irregular, they can take the shape of the container. Particles have more kinetic energy than the solid. Even this particle can slide over each other. So these are the characteristics of liquid states. But what about the gaseous particle? Gaseous particle has no shape. They can move freely. Even the particle have the highest kinetic energy. These are the more than solid and liquid. So these are the characteristics of gaseous states. Now look at this example of water molecule. Solid water actually known as ice. So in solid states, the ice particle of the water molecule, these are tightly packed, they are unable to move, but this particle can vibrate only. So when this ice converted into the liquid water, then now their shapes are not regular, these are irregular, and this particle can slide over each other. Okay, even they can take the shape of this whole container. And when this water is converted into the steam, that means the gaseous states of water, look at this one, the particles can move freely, they're free to move, they have the highest kinetic energy. Now we can compare these three states easily. Like in solid states, particles arrangement of the particles are regular, in liquid states these are irregular, and in gas these are random. And what about the movements? In solid states, particles cannot move, they can vibrate only. And liquids, particles can move throughout the liquids, and the particle can slide over each other. What about the gas? Particle can move freely. And what about the energy of the particle in these three states? Particle in solid states, particles have the least kinetic energy. In liquid, particle have more kinetic energy than solid. And in the gaseous states, the particle have the most kinetic energy.